In this demo, we'll show you how Salesforce is helping financial services companies grow faster by connecting with their customers in new ways. We'll show how a typical financial transaction, in this case, buying a new home, can be transformed. You'll see how marketing can find new prospects by running engaging campaigns on social channels, how sales can speed up transactions with mobile apps and automated processes, how a home closing can be more efficient for all parties using a secure, private collaboration group, how to create engaging mobile experiences for customers on the Salesforce platform, and how to align and motivate everyone in the company to deliver amazing customer service. This is Jane's dream house. She's been looking for a long time, and this open house has her ready to take the next step. But like more and more consumers, rather than go to the bank's website to plan her purchase, Jane goes to Soma Bank's Facebook page. She looks at product reviews and other customer posts about their mortgage experiences. Here, she sees this first-time mortgage offer that the bank is promoting on Facebook using the Marketing Cloud. It sounds great, so she responds to the post and asks for someone to contact her. Meanwhile, back at Soma Bank headquarters, Eric, their marketing manager, is using the Marketing Cloud to monitor the thousands of social media posts about their brand, products, and campaigns. He can see the volume of conversations over time, what social channels are most active for Soma Bank. In this case, it's clear Facebook is where the bank should be focusing, what words people are using to describe the bank in their posts, and even see specific conversations that people are having. Here's that same post from Jane asking for help. With a single click, it's easy to turn Jane's Facebook post into a lead in Salesforce. Down the street on Soma Bank's sales floor, that lead has automatically been routed to Phil Simmons, a mortgage banker using the Sales Cloud. Phil uses Chatter in the Sales Cloud to stay on top of all the information that's important to him. And today, the new opportunity from Jane is at the top of his Chatter feed. Soma Bank makes it easy for Phil to manage the sales process in 5 simple steps. The first is asking Jane for a little more information. Rather than sending her an email, he sends her a note through Facebook suggesting that she downloads Soma Bank's customer iPad app to get started on her mortgage application. Back in Jane's apartment, she sees the reply from Phil on Facebook and downloads the app. Built on the Salesforce platform, this app makes it easy for Jane to see her account information, pay bills, transfer money, and access all of Soma Bank's products in one place. Jane sees a notification in the menu, which brings up a welcome message, and asks her to step through the simple application wizard. Since Jane's already a customer and logged into her accounts, the application process is easy. The majority of the data has already been filled in. In fact, her credit has already been verified based on her banking history. She then enters some basic loan details, like the type, amount, and roughly how much she has for a down payment. Then she shares supporting documents using her iPad's camera. She previews her pay stub that's required for proof of income and attaches it to the application. Then she signs the application right from her iPad. After submitting it, she sees that Phil has been assigned as her personal banker and will be reaching out shortly. Back at the bank, Phil receives a Chatter notification that Jane's mortgage has been moved to the next sales stage. Phil has all the information for the entire loan process at his fingertips. He can see Jane's credit scores and her detailed loan analysis. The Sales Cloud is simple to customize, and with Salesforce's open APIs, it's easy to bring in information from external systems. Next, Phil decides to take a closer look at Jane's history. He sees her lifetime value, financial summary, the product she's using, and more importantly, what she's not using, so Phil can focus later on selling her new products. We can even see her latest social conversations. Salesforce brings everything into one place. Jane's a great applicant, so Phil gets pre-approval from his boss to move the deal along. Next, the Sales Cloud makes it easy for Phil to collaborate with third parties working on the loan, like the inspector, the appraiser, and the lawyers, all in a secure, private Chatter group. Everything the team needs is here in one place, and the conversations can unfold in context, around the documents like the home inspection and appraisal. No more time-consuming back and forth over email or hunting around in file folders. Everything looks good, so Phil tells the team he's scheduling a meeting with Jane tomorrow at the branch to finalize the loan. As Jane arrives at the branch, Phil greets her and swipes her ATM card with his iPad reader. It brings up her application in his personal banker app, powered by the Sales Cloud and built on the Salesforce platform. Phil sees Jane's profile page with the relevant details, including key financial metrics, her loyalty status, and credit scores. In the bottom menu, he also sees a notification, which tells him that the loan application is ready for review. He confirms the property details with Jane and walks her through all the specifics of the loan, the down payment, the terms, the interest rate, and the monthly payment. Here the app presents some tailored product discounts to Jane based on her profile and history. This is a great way for the bank to ensure cross-sell opportunities are discussed with customers. The two offers are for mortgage insurance and life insurance. Soma Bank is able to provide preferred rates given the nature of the deal and Jane's history with the bank. She looks at the details and accepts the insurance offers on the spot. Now it's time to review her overall terms. The house details are presented on the left, and on the right, she can adjust her down payment. Calculating all the options on the fly puts Jane at ease, and she settles on the right amount. All that's left now is a signature, and that's it. Phil can send Jane an email with all the details for her records. After signing the deal, let's see what happens back at Soma Bank. Here we see Phil's manager, Dan, who also starts his day in Salesforce. On his homepage, he gets a quick snapshot of all the metrics that matter most to him, and in one click, he can drill into the underlying dashboards. He can monitor metrics like his division's loan performance, pipeline by branch, and the sales rep leaderboard. Dashboards and reports are completely customizable for every user with clicks, not code. It looks like that last loan has put Phil on top of the leaderboard. To recognize his great work, it's easy for Dan to share the leaderboard to Phil's chatter profile for everyone to see. We can also see that Cindy in customer service was critical to helping Phil close the deal. With the Sales Cloud and Service Cloud on one platform, she was able to keep him in the loop on some important questions from Jane. Phil shows his appreciation by awarding her a Work.com badge for all her peers to see. Work.com makes it easy to recognize and align employees around common goals and objectives. Thanks to Salesforce, Phil is closing more deals than ever. And Jane has moved into her dream home faster than she ever thought possible. Thanks for watching this demo. To see more examples of how Salesforce is helping financial services companies transform the customer experience, visit us online or check us out on the social web.